All this while, okay, before that, Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah, before this, we were all just basically talking about the letters and their names. Now we will look at the sound that they make. The sound that they make is depending on the vowel that sitting on top or the bottom of the letters itself. Okay, um, if you look at it in sequence, um, the first one you can see Hamza sitting on top of the alif, and then on top of the Hamza there's Fathah. Fathah is that marking that sits on top of the letters, so they are basically your vowel. Um, they are vowel markings, basically A, I, U. Okay. Um, so right now we look into just the Fathah. Fathah give you the sound of A. So the first one, the Hamza, it gives you A. Second one, Ba, followed by Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Da, Za, Ra, Za, Sin, Sa, Sha, So, Do, To, Zo, A, Ra, Fa, Ka, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya. So for the sound that they make is different from the names itself. For example, 21, the letter itself is Qaf. We call it the letter itself, the name is Qaf. But when there's a Fathah on top of it, the pronunciation is Qa. Just like for 24, the letter is Mim, but with Fathah, the sound that it makes is Ma. Okay, except for like letters like Ba, Ta, Tha, pretty much that's the name and also the sound that it make when Fathah is on top. Okay, so now we are dealing with just the sound that the letters make. Okay, so if we put into practice, is Amara, because you see Hamza, you see Mim, you see Ra, but the sound that it gives you is Amara. Remember, for Fathah, basically it gives you the sound of A, the vowel A. Like for English is we have A, E, I, O, U. So for Fathah is the vowel A. So Amara, Balagha, Jama'a, Hasada, Rafa'a, Zakara, Za'ama, Saraka, Sadaqa, Zalama, Kafara, Khasafa, Wazara, Hakama, Wahaba, Kataba, Maraja, Zara'a, Zara'a, Daraba, Nazara, Abasa, Nabaza, Halaka, Fataha, Ghafara, Rafasa, Farada, Fa'ala, Akhadha, Taraka, Hadara, Ja'ala, Zahaba, Khalaqa, Sarafa, Zahara. Alhamdulillah, you just practice repeating them. So this is one of the very basic one. Again, again Fathah gives you the sound of A. So from box 1 here, just practice A, Ba, Ta, Tha, J, Ha, Kha, Da, Za, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha, So, Sa, Do, To, Zo, A, O, Fa, Ko, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya. I hope this lesson is beneficial for you guys. This is very basic. Usually they teach you first about all these Fathah, but I feel that it's important that you guys get a glimpse of the different forms of the letters and the different shapes that they come in, so that you guys will be more familiar with it. Inshallah, I hope this lesson is beneficial for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, there'll be more. Thank you so much.